Dreams Bahia Mita? Is the luxury resort Dreams Bahia Surf and Spa the place for your dream vacation? Watch until the end of this video. Depending on traffic, it takes between 60 and 90 minutes to drive from the Puerto Vallarta airport to this 5-star all-inclusive resort, which is situated on Carretera Cruz de Huanacaxtle near Punta de Mita. You won't get bored with the 363 opulent, spacious rooms, 4 pools, 8 restaurants, or 6 bars. How about a 24-hour coffee and snack bar, round-the-clock room service, a variety of upgraded club suites, and the chance to go surfing? I would stay here again because it had excellent booze, delicious food that was both varied and well presented, stunning views of the bay, entertainment, and a comfortable bed at the end of the day.